Happy birthday, dear Wolf Blitzer. Today, 22nd of March, I invite you to meet and celebrate my legendary dandelion friend, Wolf Blitzer. Hello friends. Welcome to my museum. I'm Saint Patricia. Please call me Patricia. I'm a 7-leaf clover and the godmother of all plants. My mission is to protect every plant in the world. May 28th is my birthday. Friends, on my birthday on May 28th of the year 5000, where will you be? Wolf sweetheart, I adore you. Friends, would you please shout out with me one more time? Happy birthday, Wolf Blitzer.